Good morning students. I am Rajesh Nand, TGT Maths at JNB Patiala. Today I will discuss a topic how to find the surface area of right circular cylinder and solve our daily life problems. Before starting a topic, I will take few examples in our day-to-day life and in surrounding area. For a layman, what is a cylinder? It is a gas cylinder only. But here you can watch so many objects with cylindrical shapes like fairy sticks, cane, candle, cold drink and so many others you can see here. Now I will take one more example of a coin. So if we take a coins in a stack, here each stack of coin represent a cylinder of different size. Now let us discuss the definition of a cylinder. A cylinder is a closed solid that has two parallel circular bases connected by a curved surface as shown in diagram in figure 1. Dotted straight lines connected to both the centers of circular bases represent height of a cylinder and R is the radius of a circle, which is again clearly shown with solid lines in figure 2. Now let us understand this concept with the help of an activity. Students, you can do this activity by taking a rectangular sheet of paper as shown in figure 1. Now roll this sheet along with its length by joining A with A dash and B with B dash, and by doing this activity rectangular sheet will take cylindrical shape and the length along which this sheet is rolled will become circumference of its base, and the breadth of a rectangle will become height of a cylinder as shown in figure 2. Now to find the surface area of a cylinder. Here the rectangle area of rectangle is length into breadth. Here the length is circumference of the base of a cylinder, that is 2 pi r, and breadth is a height of a cylinder. Next, we have to calculate the area of a rectangle. Area of rectangle, we know that length into breadth. Now what is a length? Length is here 2 pi r, and what is breadth? Breadth is equal to height h. By substituting the values, 2 pi r into h, that is equal to 2 pi r h. Therefore, lateral surface area of cylinder is equal to area of a rectangle, that is 2 pi r h square units. Now, when we open a cylinder, we get three surfaces of right circular cylinder. One curved surface, that is rectangle, and second circle, and third is also circle as shown in the diagram. And area of circle we already studied is equal to pi r square. Similarly, area for second circle is also pi r square. Now we have to calculate the total surface area of a cylinder. So to calculate the total surface area, we have to join all the three parts. That is, area of rectangle is equal to 2 pi rh plus area of two circles pi r square plus pi r square. By adding 2 pi rh plus 2 pi r square, again take common 2 pi r and within the bracket h plus r square units. So now we will take some daily life problems. A rectangular sheet of paper 14.4 cm and 18 cm is rolled along its length and a cylinder is formed. Find the radius of a cylinder. Here the length of a rectangular sheet L is equal to 44 cm. So length of the sheet means it is the circumference of the base of a cylinder, that is 2 pi r. And here we find to radius of a cylinder. So 2 pi r here is equal to 44 centimeter. By substituting the values, pi is 22/7 and radius we have to calculate. So by substituting these values we can get r equal to 7 centimeter. Again take one more problem. The diameter of garden ruler is 1.4 meter and it is 2 meter long. How much area will it cover in 5 revolutions? Here what is given? Diameter. So you can take diameter equal to 2 r. What is r? R is the radius of a cylinder. So you can divide it by 2. When you will divide 1.4 by 2, you get 0.7 meter. And height, what is height? Height here 2 meter. Now apply the formula of curved surface area of a cylinder, that is 2 pi rh. Substitute the value of pi, radius and height. By substituting these values, we get the area of one revolution. We get curved surface area of one revolution, that is 8.8 square meter. Now we have to find the area of 5 revolutions. Now what we will have to do? We will have to multiply it by 5. When you will multiply 8.8 by 5, you will get 44 square meter. In the end of the topic, let us recapitulation what we have already studied. There are total dash number of surface of right circular cylinder, that is 3. Dash is vertical cross section of right circular cylinder, rectangle. Dash is the lateral surface area of cylinder. We have already derived 2 pi rh. Dash is the ratio of total surface area to the curved surface area of cylinder of radius r and height h. We have already calculated both. the total surface area, that is 2 pi rh plus 2 pi r square upon 2 pi rh. So this was all about right surface area of right circular cylinder. Thank you for your attention.